We are telling you a new application about mining and cryptocurrency. So you can first see this application link in the below description below. You can tap in video where you can first see this interface. Looking at this interface go very good. You can first hear your registration or account. You can fill your enter your username and point and the setting password and login password. Confirm your password and enter your the capture code. So you can capture code will fill there, and you can also take your invitation code. Then you can click on registration number. I will fill this form. Then I will show you how to earn application about this application. So you can first see you can registration now in this application. So you can see in this app looking is very good, and you can see here you can currency quotation. You can hear the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also TRX, the NFT. So you can see NFT a new currency in this application. NFT are good about that. TRX how to good I will have explained in this video. So you can select see in this application interface here that the quotation you can see how to sell and how to buy coin trading, and then you can see the building how to create a money every day, and how to purchase the plan and how to get the earn money in this application. So here can see your option platform in this application. Here you can process amount is in the process publish NFT. You can see your trading card in NFT received, how to receive the earn money. You can enter the name and enter the price, and you can buy a lot of buy this NFT. NFT. So you can see your exchange and your amount in this application. It freeze the account. So I will show you how to create money. You can see you have received 2000 NFT. You can hear this application, so you can trading in this application assist. Then I will how to recharge in this application. You can see order and billing about us. You can see about us is the referred the money introduction, team introduction. Most of this how to work in this application in Indian or other countries in by NFT or new cryptocurrency. This is a currency the new you can see the New York and every other countries is work in this time, and you can see your payment, your withdrawal and deposit every time every day, and see you can NFT. You can see the enjoyable how to make the earn money, the create a team, and how to NFT mining. You can see there the first you can the recharge in this application, and recharge by through TRX, and you can buy the NFT, and you can NFT mine. So you can collect the mining, so you can create a node and pull and secure. You can number of the how much you can recharge. You recharge 5, you can pull your 2 and mining now. Just I will here how recharge first, then I will tell you how to get the money. I will recharge in this application. I will tell you how to recharge in this app. First I will app buy. Click now in here buy. First you can tap here, you can recharge in this application. First copy this address, and you can go your application. So I will show you a trust wallet in this application how to make money. This application is good for deposit or withdrawal. So I will send the money in this application. So I will paste here the address and max all TRX or USDT or max. So I will continue, send TRX, continue. So you can see the TRX is confirmation in you can put your pin. Just TRX is a confirmation in this application. Just you can waiting on this app or TRX you can get on this application. So I will refresh in this application, or you can see in this app the 20 TRX I will recharge in this application. So you can see here 20 minus 20 2 TRX in this application. If you take the fees TRX, and you can hear, so just you can waiting and watch, and your TRX is adding soon. You You can see here 0 TRX in this application now available balance. I will refresh in this application, or you can see this application how to take the withdrawal fee is the maximum minimum 0% in this application, or this application is the good. So guys, here you can see my recharge is successfully in here I will receive the 20 TRX and it fees 2 TRX in this app. I will show how to earn the money. You can see so here first you can see application in this app. You can first here you can buy NFT. Here you select the USDT